In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual booking in Microsoft Bookings. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Bookings. Open the official Microsoft link and sign in with your work or school account. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, Bookings is often included, but availability can vary by plan. Once you're in, you'll land on the Bookings home experience. On the home screen, select the option to create a new booking page. You'll be asked whether you want to build one from scratch or clone an existing page. Cloning is useful if you already have a page with settings you like because it copies services, hours, and policies. If you're starting fresh, choose the From Scratch option. Enter the basics for your booking page: a clear booking name, an optional logo, your business type, and your standard business hours. Make sure your time zone is correct, as this controls how times display to you and your customers. Once those details are set, continue to the next step. You can invite staff from your organization by selecting them from the list. Assigning staff now helps with availability and notifications later, but if you're not ready, simply proceed and add them later. When you're done here, move forward. Next, set up a service. Most new pages include a pre-made service you can customize. Adjust the service name, duration, and when the service is available. If you want this to be an online meeting, enable the Teams meeting option so the booking automatically includes a meeting link. When you've tailored the service to your needs, continue. Decide who can book appointments. You'll see 3 choices: no self-service, which means only you or your team can create bookings; people in my organization, which limits bookings to internal users; or anyone, which allows the public to book. Pick the option that fits your scenario and create the page. You'll be routed to the calendar view. Click the date and time where you want to place the appointment, and a booking form will open. Adjust the start and end times as needed, or mark it as an all-day event if appropriate. Select more options to fine-tune details. Here you can add buffer time before or after, set the service location, configure pricing, and leave internal notes. You can also add an email reminder and a follow-up email. A reminder 24 hours before is a helpful default. Finally, enter your customer information, including email address, phone number, and address if needed. You can enable text message notifications if available, add customer notes, and include additional guest emails. Choose the staff member if applicable, then click Create Booking. Your manual booking is now saved and ready to go.